Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is called High Octane. It has a 4-strand cord, and ours consists of 2 strands at 14 inches long, melted together to form a loop, and then connected. Colors we're using is blue and red. All paracord used in this project is 4 mil thick. The blue, which is the base, is 48 inches or 121.92 centimeters. Red is the accent. It's 60 inches or 152.4 centimeters. You're also going to need a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Let's get started. Okay, now the setup. In between the cow hitches, we're going to run the blue, and this in to the outside, and now the red, taking it down now to get started on the leaf. Alright, now take the red up to the center and toward the back out of the way. There. Now start the leaf. Left side, underneath, up in between 3 and 4. We take the right side, underneath, up in between 1 and 2. Leave a loop on each side. Now, from the right side, down, under, and up through 3 and 4. Left side, same thing, underneath, in between 1 and 2. Set everything up, tighten down. Yeah. Right side, underneath, up through 3 and 4, down through the loop on the right side. Excuse me. Now the blue, the left side, underneath, up through 1 and 2, then down through the loop be left on the left side. Now the red on the right side, underneath, over and down through the loop that you made. And it should look something like that. The red on the left side, underneath, over, down through the loop you made. And it should look something like this. Now, take the red, come up to the center, in between 2 and 3. Put up left side, up between 2 and 3. Now that was the whole weave. Now, left side, under everything, up between 3 and 4. Blue from the right side, up under everything, and up through 1 and 2. Take the right side, red, down, underneath everything, up through 3 and 4. Set it to the side on the right side. Left side, down, under everything, up, in between the slot, and 1 and 2. And let's set to the side on the left. Push everything up, tighten, but not too tight. Okay, from the right side, blue, up in between 3 and 4, and down. Left side, up between 1 and 2, down. The red on the right side, underneath, over through the loop, left side red, underneath, over, down through the loop. And it should look like that.